Hey y'all, welcome to this week's weekly vlog. And today, girl, we got a couple things to do. Got a couple errands to run, and I am burning up. I don't know what's happening with my temperature. I'm really hot. I'm really cold. But either way, we're not getting into it. We're supposed to be going to Nordstrom today because I have an item to return. This item is an item that everybody has been ranting and raving about, and I bought it and I'm like, y'all girls are lying. It's the UGG like stacked boot or whatever. I got mine in a kid size, but once I put it on, I said, girl, I look like Frankenstein. I looked a mess. So we're gonna go ahead and take those bags. I also have a pickup order from Nordstrom as well to pick up, because y'all know I don't go shopping. I do pickups because I cannot, but we may run into the store because I need to get like some perfumes, some travel size perfumes, because I want to see how they smell. And these perfumes that I got back here, baby, they ain't eating like that, girl. They are not. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done. But obviously we look a little bit different today. Don't y'all see I look different? This is different than what I thought. It is not really my style, but I wanted to see, like, what is she gonna do for me? Is this y'all's style? Y'all let me know. But baby, it's a throw on wig from Love Me Hair, and I want to say thank you to Love Me Hair for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this portion of this vlog, because we're gonna go ahead and get into this hair. We're gonna get into how I got her to look like this, and we're gonna get into what she looked like when you pulled her out of the box. And low-key, I prefer just the straight out the box, shake her out and punch it look. But this is what it looks like after it's been styled. So I do want to go ahead and get into that. Yeah, before we go ahead and head out. Wow, this lighting has me looking a mess. But these are the shoes that I'm returning. Let me show y'all. These ones, they don't eat at all. I don't know who is lying, or maybe it's just my feet or how my legs are set up. Girl, something is up. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing, and then I'll meet y'all in the court. Okay, show y'all what I got on for the night out. My office is a freaking mess. So y'all already know, y'all seen this outfit before. Naked wardrobe, mock neck top, naked wardrobe by Lori Harvey, sweatpants. I love these sweatpants, and that's it. And not me matching my socks to my hair. That's too much. It's too much, girl. Relax. We're gonna go ahead and head out, and let's go ahead and get into the message from our sponsor so we can pay these bills, and then we're gonna go spend that money. Okay, let's go. I'll see y'all in the car. Okay, y'all, let's get in on the details on this beautiful wig from Love Me Hair. This is the beginner-friendly dark red water wave glueless minimalist lace wig with bangs, in 8 inches long. It comes with a lace closure, and of course, when you receive your wig, it's going to come in the Love Me Hair box, and you receive all of these gifts, or at least some of these gifts that are on the screen. And you also get a user guide as well, but we're going to go into how this wig looks when you pop it out of the box and how to style it. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's take this overboard now. I want you to That's why knowing your colors is so important, baby. I changed my outfit. Don't wear it with what I wore it with. Get you some black. Oh, babes, my whole mood has changed. Because first I was like, bruh, no. But in black, oh, it's a look. Oh, no. That neutral with this was just giving no. But this, yes. So...